Buongiorno, bonjour, this is Julian, the Frenchman who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this chocolate confectionery stuffed and covered in toasted hazelnut and manufactured by Italian chocolate maker who is also the maker of Nutella spread in Italy, Ferrero. So how would you go about pronouncing the name of these treats? Now, the name Ferrero brand is definitely Italian, while the name of the confectionery itself is certainly more French. So in English or American, you would normally pronounce it Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. But if you wanted to combine the Italian with French to say these with the pronunciation of their respective country of origin, you would have to say Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. Rocher means rock in French. Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. Otherwise, more simply perhaps, Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher.